Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a thought that would not leave you alone? Something like, I am not good enough. I am ugly. No one really likes me. I will always struggle. And the crazy thing is, even though it's not true, it feels true. Here's the problem. The thoughts that you believe will shape the life that you live. Romans 12 verse 2 says, do not conform to the patterns of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. There are so many things in the world that makes us believe lies about ourselves. But here's the key. You can replace those lies with truth from Bible scriptures. If the thought says, I am not good enough, you can replace it with, I am fearfully and wonderfully made. If your thought says, I can't do this, you can replace it with, I can do anything through Christ who strengthens me. I encourage you today, whatever lie you believe about yourself, replace it with truth from Bible scriptures. Pray about it, ask the Holy Spirit to guide you and replace all those lies with truth from Bible scriptures.